In this guide, I'm going to show you how to install Relaxin Jailbreak using TrollStore. First of all, you need to install TrollStore on your device. After that, open Safari browser, then search on Google for Relaxin Jailbreak Guide. Once you go to the site, scroll down and find the Relaxin Jailbreak post. Open it, then navigate to the Download button. This will redirect you to the Relaxin Jailbreak official website. Once you are there, you can see the latest version details, so tap on the Download button. Once you download, you can tap on the Share icon and open with TrollStore. Or you can open TrollStore manually, then tap on the plus icon on the upper right corner, then import the downloaded Relaxin Jailbreak file. Once you import, it will automatically install that into your iPhone. Tap on the Relaxin Jailbreak icon. That will open Relaxin Jailbreak on your device. Tap on the jailbreak, and it will install Cilio and RootHide applications. That is it for today's update. For more information and more Relaxin Jailbreak created guides, follow and hit the subscribe button. Also, comment below your issues and suggestions.